Welcome back, everyone. It's been a while. I hope you guys are all staying healthy and safe. Now, it has been about 2 months since I uploaded my last video on the channel and about 3 months since I uploaded the last video on the Tacoma. I have been getting a lot of DMs on Instagram and also comments here on YouTube asking what's going on with both builds. Is the YouTube channel dead? Where am I? And today I just want to give you guys a quick update saying we are back. However, we are going to be switching up some of the content that we're doing on this YouTube channel. So rather than me doing full in-depth how-to videos and installation videos and review videos, I am going to switch up the format to doing more of just, documenting some of the builds that I'm doing and the projects which I'm working on. I still have the Tacoma, still have the Tundra, and I am planning on bringing on some more other projects here on in the future. And as some of you guys may know, doing the in-depth installs takes a really long time on the editing side, and for me, over the past few months, I've gotten really busy with work, with life, and whatnot, to where I really don't have much free time to do those type of videos. So those will actually be switching over to another channel. I will be linking that down below. It'll be on the Yota Garage. As some of you guys may know, I do work at the Yota Garage, and that way I'll be able to do those videos during business hours, and I'll be able to produce higher quality videos, release them there, and that allows me to keep this channel purely on doing my build overviews and whatnot. I will still do some install videos here, but they won't be as in-depth as I'll be posting over there. Now, next up, you guys are asking what's going on with the Tacoma. The last video I posted on was me parting it out, asking is it gone? It's not. It's still here, and I've actually done a lot of work to the Tacoma over the past couple of months, just because I've been too busy with work and life. I haven't really documented everything I've done. So today I'll give you guys a really quick, high-level, walk around of the truck, and I will be releasing a full in-depth video on the Tacoma, all the changes, and just a full, rig walk around, probably here in the next, couple of weeks. There's a few things that I still need to do on the truck, some lighting, some racks and whatnot. But you know what? Without talking too much, let's hop outside. Let me give you guys a quick, walk around so you guys can see what's going on here. All right, and here is the truck in all its glory. As you guys can see, we have a new wrap on it. Now, as some of you guys may know, previously I had the half wrap on the truck. I pulled that off, ended up wrapping the truck in this white digi camo. Now, I did this wrap by myself, and it's my first wrap job. It's not perfect, but you know what? It looks pretty damn good from about this far away, so that's all we can, ask for. Now, let's start from the front. I've got the Body Armor Highline Series bumper off, and we are running this Body Armor Pro Series bumper. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with lighting on the bumper, and I haven't put my winch back on, so that'll be coming up. On the headlights, we are running the Alpha X Nova Series, so we pulled off the old headlights, got these guys on, and they are amazing. Looking at the Fender Flares, you guys may know I have gone through a few different Fender Flares, and we are back to the OEM ones, and I will be cutting these guys because we are revving a little bit, as we are running full 35s now. And as you guys can see, we got some 35 by 12.5 Nittos on here, and they are the trail grapplers, and they're wrapped around a fuel vector wheel. And I just love the black and white on this truck so far. Still got the Icon kit for the suspension. And then coming to the side, still got the Cali Rays rock sliders, Baja ditch lights. Now, I did pull off the old snorkel, and we are running the Air Raid one, and I love this thing. It looks completely sleek compared to the other one. Now, I did also get the roof wrapped in black, and that's something I didn't do myself. I actually took it into a professional. And also the roof rack is off. We do have a new roof rack coming for this. RSI Smart Cap is gone, and I'm currently looking for solutions on what I'm going to do on this, either a bed rack or another canopy, so stay tuned for that. And then in the back, we have got a Body Armor Pro Series rear bumper, and for the exhaust, I am running the MBRP little cut-off axle back there, or I should say cat back, sorry. Now, this is a super quick overview. Like I said, I will be doing a full in-depth video on the truck, but come on, look at that. How good does it look? A bit cold out here, so let's get back into the truck. Now that's it for my really quick overview of the truck. I don't have much time to go through and give you guys a full in-depth walk around, and I will do that in the coming weeks, especially once I finish talking about all the lighting, the racks, and all that jazz. Oh, I didn't show you guys, but my favorite mod, the Tacoma, is being used as storage right now, as you guys can see. And also, I haven't driven this thing in quite some time, and actually it just got its first car wash in 2 months, so I'm really excited to get back into driving. Now also, I do want to apologize to you guys if the quality of this video is kind of crappy, sound, if it's shaky, you know, all that jazz. I'm a little bit rusty. It's been a couple of months since my last video, so we just gotta, you know, dust off the cobwebs. Anyway, as I mentioned, I will be releasing a lot more videos on this channel and the other channel. And with that being said, if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Drop me any comments or questions down below on what you guys want to know about Tacoma, Tundra, you know, as I'm producing, you know, more content, what you guys want to see on both trucks. And then until next time, I hope you guys have a great day. Stay healthy, stay safe, and we'll see ya. Bye.